my name is Kirsty Bennett and I'm a virtual stylist for the Closet Collective by Kirsty. In today's video, I want to take you through some of my tips to help you pack for a mini vacay. When packing lightly, it's so important to identify your laundry opportunities. Are you staying at a hotel where there is a laundry service, or are you at an Airbnb? Just make sure there is something like a washing machine or whatever to try and wash your clothes in, because the last thing you want to do is wear something that you were supposed to wear when you're coming home because you've extended your trip and now your clothes are dirty. So that is an important point. So this is for a short trip, so if you are going longer, all you need to do is just add on one additional look or top or dress according to these staples. So my first item for a short trip would be a denim jeans. I went for a darker denim because it's just easier to match for nighttime. So the dark denim can be matched with linen tops or vests, and then for nighttime you can pair a denim jeans with a vest and a suit jacket or a coat jacket like this if it's colder in the evenings. You want to maybe do a shorts if you are going on a beach holiday, so a shorts with maybe a single long sleeve linen top or cover up jersey and then your vest again. You want to do one daytime dress and one nighttime dress. The daytime dress can be worn with a sandal or sneaker. So a sandal, if you are off to the beach, a dress can be used as a cover up. And then for nighttime, the slip dress is perfect, paired with a heel for nighttime. And then you could even do a slip dress in daytime with a flat sandal if you're browsing around in a mall or a flea market. A linen pants is very important as well for a short trip, because this is great with a sneaker or sandal. So if you are going to be doing touristy things, a linen pants is great because it is quite comfortable and breathable, and you don't want to be walking around doing tourist things in a denim jeans. You're just going to get hot and that's so uncomfortable. In terms of cover up for daytime, I would recommend a neutral color or white color denim jacket. It just goes with so much more. In terms of footwear, for daytime you want to do a fashion sandal, so either a slide or a chunky sandal. That goes great with your linen pants, with the denim jeans, or with your dress. And then for your pool wear, you want to opt for maybe a flip-flop. For nighttime, you want to do one heel. You could do this in any color, black, neutral, white, whatever goes best with your color palette, which we've mentioned. And then a white sneaker, I would say, is a must-have to take on a short trip. It's just so versatile. It can be worn with either your slip dress or linen pants or even your denim jeans. Already there we have about 8 looks, guys. And I mean, this is easy to take onto a hand luggage as well. And remember, try folding in little balls or just little ritties like that. Just creates more space in your baggage. So I hope you found this video informative and I hope you'll use these tips. If you have any other tips on packing or what to pack for a short trip, please comment below. And I will leave my Instagram handle at the bottom over here so you can follow my page as well if you would like some more styling advice and fashion tips.